In our episode today, we talk of something very interesting and very funny. It is about the plural or the group connotation of animals and birds. We do not just add a plural number like S or ES, like Indian language. We do not just indicate by adding the plural mark. We give an expression of plurality by providing some characteristic of that particular group of living beings, and that also denotes that how they behave. We say a bunch of flowers for aggregation of many flowers. We say that a block of apartments for many apartments together, or a board of director or constellation of stars. Now, some of the common terms that are used, herd or group. For example, all animals who are known are denoted as herd. A herd of cows, a herd of buffaloes, a herd of giraffes, a herd of goats, and a herd of deer, herd of donkeys. Similarly, another common word that is used is colony for denoting a group of small creatures. Colony of ants, colony of frogs, colony of rats, colony of rabbits, colony of termites. One more common word is called flocks. Flocks of geese. Generally, it is used for flying birds, seagulls. For wild animals, generally the word pack is used to denote plural. Pack of coyotes, pack of hyenas, pack of dogs, pack of hounds, pack of wolves. For some of fish-like creatures, the commonly used word is school. A school of fish, a school of dolphins. Interestingly, in many languages, most specifically English, plural also brings out the characteristic. Maybe it is also a satire to the human beings. For example, interestingly, a group of baboons is called a congress of baboons. Congress, as we know, is a very high sounding subject where parties are denoted as Congress, where decision making and legislative bodies in US are called Congress. So, Congress of baboons. The crocodiles, when they get together, they are known as congregation of crocodiles. Again, a church congregation or a religious congregation, look at it being applied in the language as congregation of crocodiles. One more interesting word is for crows. A group of crows who are together are often referred as parliament of crows. Really very interesting and very funny. Eagles, when they get together, they are called convocation of eagles. As if a university degree is being given, a convocation being held. They are very smart animal. I do not know whether the word convocation in universities or degree conferring ceremonies came from this word, or eagles getting together borrowed the word because they are intelligent. Flamingos, when they get together, it is known as flamboyance of flamingos. A characteristic that flamingos radiate a lot of flamboyance with color probably has crept into the language. Gorillas are known as band of gorillas. Again, I do not know, because of the funny work or the funny acts they do, they are known as band, as if they are a band of music. For kangaroos, it is known as a court of kangaroos or a mob of kangaroos. For lions, of course, many of you will know, it is called a pride. For pelicans, it is known as a squadron, because they so gracefully march and make a sight for themselves as if they are in an army. Squadron of pelicans. Now, squirrels, because of their nature, they are known as a scurry of squirrels. Swans, they are called a bank of swans. Foxes, they are called troops of foxes. As I told you, wild animals are known as packs, but in case of fox, they are called troops of foxes. Last but not the least, vultures are referred as committee of vultures. Unlike eagles, called a convocation of eagles, in case of vultures, they are called a committee of vultures. Any language, when we study, we get to know how that language and that civilization depicts its plurals by observing that particular group of animals or insects or birds or fishes. Interesting indeed. I am sure this would have given you some food for thought. Thank you very much.